Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your avatar in Paper.io 2. Paper.io 2 offers players the chance to personalize their gaming experience by changing their avatars. First of all, open up the Paper.io 2 application and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu that pops up, tap the pencil button right at the top left where you see your current avatar. Now this will take you to your device's camera roll from where you can select a picture of yourself. Now resize the picture like however you want it and then click on save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your profile picture updated. You can now get back to the game and start playing. So that's how you can easily change your avatar on Paper.io 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.